So I managed to glue all the strips into this onto the back panel of the original lamp. So yeah, I only have one piece hooked up, so look how it shines. If I can turn it on, wait, yeah, on. So I don't know, maybe it will be okay if this diffusion layer is so close. Maybe it will be okay just like this, but if I take it further from the LEDs, then suddenly it's slightly friendlier to the eye. So at least like 7 centimeters, that's how much I'd need to make the whole panel like one uniform color, not just dots. So I don't know yet. Maybe I'll put it together like this, so the LEDs will look like this, like dots. I don't know yet. I don't know how it will be best. So yeah, I have let me show you. I glued them like 4.5 centimeters apart. Maybe I will glue in some more white LEDs between them, so I can turn on only the white. And yeah, that's my progress so far. Next I'll have to solder in a main bus bar here on the bottom to wire up all the strips. So that will be a long process, but in the end I will get something nice. I think this will be nice. Don't you think so? Like this, further from the... yeah. One uniform light, I think. Hopefully. If not, then like this, with dots, that's not too terrible either. If they all light up, like in white, it almost seems okay. But the camera doesn't pick it up. Let me try to... oh yeah, now. Yeah, so that's how it looks in real life. The colors are slightly not together, not yeah, like very big and bad pixels on a large screen. That's how they look. So yeah, I haven't decided yet, but first I'll wire up all the things, put it up on the ceiling, and see how it lights up the room. Maybe no distance is needed. Maybe I'll add the distance. Basically, oops, I moved the camera. Basically, I'll just put a wooden frame round and round to have some distance between the top and bottom layer. And that's it. No big complication. So yeah, I'll maybe see you in the next video with further progress, hopefully not in the middle of the night when I'm very sleepy.